Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and we're out here in the Cotswolds with another lovely prize for you. This is a 1970 Norton Commando 750S. S is quite an unusual model. It's got these twin high-level exhaust pipes, which I really like the look of, with your pea shooter silencers. This one will be ending on the 23rd of March, 9 PM, which is a Sunday, the 23rd of March. And tickets for this one are £2.99. It's a lot of bike for £2.99. As you can see, it's in very nice condition. I think it's been sympathetically restored. So you got this lovely candy colour scheme, red colour scheme. Got really nice vented front brake, which is synonymous with the Norton Commandos. Got the twin spot clocks, which is another Norton Commando kind of thing that they used to do. This particular bike has recently had new alley flange rims. As you can see here, the flange is like the bit that sticks out, so they call it alley flanged. And you've got these stainless steel spokes, which is always great. So yeah, I'd say a very nice, presentable, usable bike. Right, now we're gonna have a go at starting her. We have had it running, so it shouldn't be too hard to start. But even when it is cold, it's not too bad, to be fair. You just need to give it probably a little bit of throttle and a good tickle. So firstly, we need our ignition key on, which is here. Turn that on. One of our fuel taps there. There's another one on the other side, which I'll turn on quickly. Give her a tickle. They all like a tickle, don't they? Especially when it's cold. And then tickle on this side until you see the fuel come out. Got a choke up here, so it's loose cable choke, so the choke lever needs to be forwards. And then just give her a good kick and hopefully she'll start. There we are. Oh, I love the sound of a Norton Commando pea shooter silencers. I can't think of many bikes that sound better than this one. A nice kind of ripping noise, very aggressive. Really like it. And then when it's warm, just gradually take it off the choke. Still a little bit cold, so we'll leave it on there. If you fancy go on this one, like I said, tickets are £2.99. Go to the website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, and good luck if you enter.